Meaning of despotic.
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 Despotic. Despotic means behaving like a tyrant or ruler with absolute power, ignoring the needs and wishes of others. It implies an abuse of authority, often accompanied by cruelty, oppression, and a lack of concern for the welfare of those being ruled. Despotic leaders tend to impose their will through forceful and sometimes violent means, without regard for the rule of law or the democratic process. In short, a despotic regime brings about suffering, fear, and a loss of freedom and human rights for the people under its control.